Have you ever had times when you were looking at the sky or even at a computer screen and suddenly some small shapes appeared in front of you and started floating in your field of vision? Has it ever happened to you? With me already. What is this dirt, which can be like small dark dots, spots, lines, circles, or even spider webs? Is it some worm that is trapped inside your eye, or even a defect in your nerve of vision, or your cornea, or your retina? What's happening? No, it has nothing to do with worms. These dirt are called floaters. These floaters can be very annoying and may worry some people. In this video, I will explain what these floaters are, the causes of these dark spots in the vision, when you should see a doctor, and how to get rid of the dirt in my vision naturally, and with some scientific evidence, so watch until the end to find out. But first, already enjoy the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our health tips, and activate the bell to receive notifications. And also spread this knowledge with your friends and family. Many people see floaters, which can affect anyone of any age. By sharing, you will help more people, which is our channel's goal. So share there, and tell me, do you suffer from floaters? How long? Write down there. Let's go. If you're watching this video, there's a good chance you've already seen those little dirt particles in your vision. And yes, they can be really annoying. As I said, these floaters can be of different shapes and sizes. They may look like black or gray dots. Some people only see small dots, while others see threads or small tufts of grass, spots, or even worm-like shapes that seem to dance in front of them. But I assure you, there's no living thing inside your eye. These normally translucent shapes float in front of our eyes as if they are sliding in oil, going up and down, left and right, spoiling a vision that was once crystal clear. They are always in motion, so they are floaters, flies that fly. So, in most cases, floaters are harmless. Why do we begin to see these floaters? Inside our eye is a kind of gelatin, the so-called vitreous humor. As you get older, the vitreous starts to shrink inside the eye. Over time, proteins, small debris, can accumulate inside, such as collagen, red blood cells, or other substances. Anything suspended in that jelly can cast a shadow on your retina, and you can see this little filth. That's because the light that enters your eye is partially blocked by this debris, casting a shadow on the retina. And when you move your eyes, as they are loose inside, they move together. The closer to the retina they are, the darker they will be, exactly like in the photo. The point will be lighter if there is any dirt on the lens. If you have it on the camera sensor, it will be darker and have more details. Or think of a shadow. The closer to the apparatus, the darker the shadow. And the further away, the more diffuse it will be. How do you know if you have these floaters? Look at the apparent sky, not the sun. Move the eye from side to side. Did something appear in your vision, something translucent? They are floaters. If it's dark, put it on a white computer screen, enter Google, and increase brightness. It has to be bright with a lot of light, and the pupil constricts, which helps the shadow to be more evident. If you experimented and only now realize that floaters are First, floaters are expected and part of the natural aging process, so this is usually normal, but it doesn't mean your eyes aren't healthy anymore. So, age other risk factors. Myopia, eye trauma. If an object hits the eye or has had an accident, you may see more floaters than others or form in the eye. But I open parentheses here if you just had trauma. Of course, let's consider a small Chinese study with no control group. In another arm, they divided the participants into 3 groups. One group would eat only 1 slice of pineapple, another group would eat 2 slices, and the third group would eat 3 slices for 90 days. And they wanted to see if it worked. In the first group, there was an improvement of 55%. In the second group, it was 66%, and 3 slices showed more than 70% improvement. So, the conclusion of the study: it seems pineapple works, but it is dose dependent. What did I do? I started eating pineapple by salad every day. What happened? My floaters are gone. Of course, it could have been a placebo.